Okay.
Hi! This is my cousin. Her name is Aliyah. And today we're gonna open our gifts from Christmas. Which one should we start with first? Let's start with this. Okay. It's so cute. Oh, 50 pesos. Open.
Naku, ang dalawa.
Let's open it.
Sirain mo niya para may kasunod pa. Ano yung galing?
Oh my.
Wow. May gamit na naman si Abo.
Ah!
Galing sa ninang niya.
Wow. Try to open.
Gandaan.
Tali, oh. Nakatali.
O, nabinusok ako.
Ay, lang. Oh, yes.
Gandaan.
Look.
Paano naman yung binubukat cake
So cute.
Ang galo din.
Put that there.
Wow, perfume. Iputi Ellie, hindi kita si Abo.
Eh, ito kasi.
Here.
Eh, ito pa.
Next. Next naman.
Let's save
Galing kay Ate
mine
Eris.
last. This one first.
Ganda naman.
Okay.
Magaling.
We're opening the same gift.
Ang kanina naman ang galing. Kay Ellie. Kay Ellie.
But we don't know what is
Ate
it.
Yana, hindi pa gano'n.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's still a tape.
Ang daming tape.
Yan nga, tingin mo tape. Ay, mas madami pala kay Abong. Kunti lang akin. Parang gusto ko na makita ko. Ah! Ala, may tape pa pala. Naku po. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Wow, pareho ata kaya eh.
Yan.
Oh, inay.
Aba!
Mamaya, ilagay mo muna. Doon na kayo. Inay, sabay-sabay. Pakita mo.
Ala!
I-
Wow! A baggie!
Ba? May fake nails. Iyo.
Meron din
Oh, may fake nails ka din, oh.
Saan?
Oh.
Yay!
Pakita mo ang bag mo.
Ang cute kasi nakita ko to.
Oh, ito may ano.
May sling.
Wow! May sling bag. Ha?
Look! Yes!
Ito nails. Ito mo yung nails mo.
Wala ko makita ng design.
Ah.
Pink and purple! Wala nakita mo.
Ano kayo sa din?
Last one!
Punuitin mo na. Amo, punuitin mo.
Yun! Kita na nakasilip si Elsa si Anna. Kaya nga, hindi minalo. That is it. Hachipupo! What's that? It's a blind box.
What?
It's a blind box.
Blind box?
Smell it! I think I know which one.
Ah, parang collectibles ganun.
Yeah, it's directly from USA.
USA.
USA one?
Kanino to galing? Mami. Mami. Thank you, Mami.
Thank you, Mommy!
Elsa, let it go, let it go. Kita mo sa kanila.
Okay.
Hindi mo rin mag-express si happiness. Puro anger. Yan.
Wow!
Ating kunin mo yun.
Lagay mo dito. I wonder what it is.
Mamaya, may picture natin. Ilan.
Hindi. Lagay mo natin.
Oo,
Guys, what it is? What is it?
Ayun lang ang ating Eris.
The purple one!
Ay, meron pa palang iyo.
It's grape flavored. Ate! Wow! Purple!
Ito, yun, kunin mo na picture.
Ate, pause. Okay, let's see like the picture I think she has.
Ay, mahaba. Nasa baba.
Oh,
Yan.
and she, her name is Gummy Bear. No, she's grape flavored. Wow!
Kami naman. Bye.